In this video, let me show you how to spend gems in Kingshot. Let's talk about the best ways to spend your gems early on. First, Hero Roulette. This is one of the best values. It usually appears during the Hall of Governors or hero-based events. You use gems to spin a wheel for a chance at hero shards. Its second, VIP activation. Reaching VIP level 4 or higher lets you unlock benefits like faster building, additional training queues, March slots, and free daily rewards. Using gems to maintain or boost your VIP status can really speed up your overall progression. Third, the second construction queue is a great long-term investment. It lets you build two things at once, essentially doubling your base development speed. Activate this as early as you can. What not to spend gems on? Avoid using gems for speeding up regular builds or troop trainings unless there's a time-limited event. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.